Hello friends, welcome back to Civil Engineering Mastery. In this video, we are going to discuss an interesting technology which is most widely used in construction industry. When we start the project, we will be having the time period to complete the project as well. So we have to complete the project within the stipulated time period. The project duration may be 6 months, 1 year, or maybe 2 years, or even more than that, depending upon the type of the building. So our main concern is to complete the project within the given duration. So we have to increase the speed of the construction as well as enhance the quality, right? So here comes the major player, Maivan Aluminium Formwork, which is mainly used to increase the speed of the construction. So let's discuss in detail about this technology. Let's start now. First, let's see what is Maivan Formwork. What is Maivan? It is the aluminium formwork. Maivan is the name of the company who invented this aluminium formwork. So they are basically from Europe. It is an European company who invented this formwork and they started their factory from Malaysia. So they fabricate this kind of formwork in Malaysia. So they started their factory in Malaysia and they kept this their company name to this technology as a Maivan technology. So it is a factory made formwork system and it is a RC wall and slab system, so there will not be any brick wall or block wall in this aluminium formwork system. So initially the countries like Gulf countries and Europe and some of the Asian countries were using this technology. Nowadays in India, metro cities like Mumbai, Bangalore and Delhi, they are using this kind of technology to increase the speed of the construction. Now let's see, why do we need this Maivan technology? When we want to construct the building by using conventional method, that requires more building maintenance and it takes more time to complete the project. If we want to construct more number of houses in large areas, for example 100 acres, 150 acres or even more than that, in that case this Maivan technology will be more useful to complete the project in a given time. And also this aluminium formworks can be reused again and again. For example, the we can use this formworks repeatedly up to 250 times. So the number of repetition is more in aluminium in this Maivan technology. That increase the speed of the construction, it enhance the quality of construction as well. As I said before, we can finish the large number of we can complete large number of houses in short period of time by using this Maivan aluminium formwork. Then the RC wall and slab can be casted together. That means we can do the concrete in one pour. These are all the major factors for adopting this Maivan aluminium formwork in construction. Now let me explain briefly about this Maivan construction technique. So when we get the project, if we are using this kind of Maivan aluminium formwork, first what we have to do, we have to finalize the initial designs. Initial designs means like architectural drawing and structural drawing, whatever the plumbing work, electrical work, everything we need to finalize in the initial stage itself. Then we have to give that specification. So whatever the design specifications are there, so that we need to give to the factory. Then the factory people will fabricate that aluminium formwork according to the specifications whatever we had given to them. Then after that they will send those formworks to the site for starting the construction. So this is the major process involved in this Maivan aluminium formwork system. Every projects are different, so we cannot adopt all the same procedure for all the projects. For example, we can do along with the super substructure as well as the superstructure. We can go for the wall reinforcement for the foundation. strip footing we can use, and we can finish it we can finish substructure first, then we can go for superstructure. Or else if some projects require some different kind of a foundation, then we have to use the conventional method for substructure, and we have to go for this kind of wall reinforcement, RC wall and slab system for the superstructure. So depends on the project, it varies. For example, if we have completed the substructure, so after that we are going for superstructure using this aluminum formwork. First we have to erect the wall reinforcement. Before erection of the aluminum formwork, we have to make sure that the wall reinforcements are ready in the site. So that is what it is shown here in the image. You can see the wall reinforcement are erected on the site. So after that, what this wall reinforcement gives structure to the building, and after that we have to place the aluminum formwork, and then we have to erect the slab reinforcement. After that we have to erect the aluminum formwork for slabs, then later on we have to do the slab reinforcement on the formwork. And then finally, after checking everything, we have to go for concreting. So this is the overall process of aluminum formwork system. Let's see one by one. The first one is the wall reinforcement. As I said before, wall reinforcement should be placed before the erection of formwork. This gives the structure to the building. Next, let's see how do we place the aluminum formwork. So once the wall reinforcements are done, we have to place the aluminum formworks. As you can see here, all the aluminum formworks are done. So here this is the window opening. As I said before, like we have to give all the specifications to the uh, company who are making this aluminum formwork, because according to that specification where the opening should come, where we have to the plumbing drawing, electrical specification, everything we need to finalize, and then we have to give it to them so that they can make the formwork according to the specification what we had given to them. So once these wall forms are done, wall formworks are done, we have to go for the slab formwork, and then we have to lay the slab reinforcement. So wall and floor slab panels are erected, wall panels are done here. So we have to do the slab panels next. Then we have to go for the slab reinforcement. So these forms are joined together by using pin and wedge system. As you can see here, this is the pin and wedge. So this is used to join this formwork. So this is how this aluminum formwork is done at site. Next, let's see how the concreting is done. Concreting can be done in one pour. The slab and wall can be concreted together in one pour. As you can see here in the picture, the wall panels are done, and the slab panels are also done. After erecting the slab reinforcement, there are dowels left for next floor wall construction, and then we can go for concreting. The slab and wall can be concreted together in one pour. So this reduces the wastage of material at site, and it increases the speed of the construction, and also enhance the quality of construction. These formworks can be reused again and again. It can be reused up to 250 times. Repetition is more in this aluminum formwork, and we can get the good quality of construction. As you can see here, the quality of the building is good, and we can get the finishing is very good, and there is no need of more maintenance. Now let me show you one video clip how the Maivan aluminum formwork is erected at the site. Wall reinforcement are getting erected before assembling them. this is the overall process of the Maivan aluminum formwork system. I hope you all understood about the concept of Maivan aluminum formwork. Let's see what are all the advantages of this Maivan technology. As I said before, that this Maivan technology is mainly used for increase the speed of the construction. So this increase the speed of the construction also, and also it enhance the quality of work. And then we get more carpet area by using this Maivan formwork when compared to the conventional system. For example, when we use the column beam system, accommodate more space because the column should be merged with the wall, whatever we are using, block wall or brick wall. So when we go for this Maivan formwork system, since we are using the RC wall, it requires only less thickness. For example, for residential building G plus 2, G plus 1 and all, we can go with 100 thick wall. So that is sufficient, and it gives more carpet areas. Maintenance is also very less in Maivan technology, since the aluminium formworks, since we are using this aluminium formworks, there is no need of plastering, so it requires less maintenance, and it gives more carpet area. And these aluminium forms we can panels we can use repeatedly again and again. The number of repetitions we can go up to 250 times. This reduce the wastage of material at site. And uh, this is cost effective when when we go for larger area and more number of houses, then only it is cost effective when compared to the conventional method. Because as we are using for a if we are using for small projects and all, we cannot use the same aluminum panels for other projects. So when this Maivan formworks is cost effective when we go for when we use it for larger areas. These are all the major advantages of Maivan technology. So let's see what are all the demerits of this Maivan technology. This Maivan aluminum formwork has few demerits as well. Number of repetitions are more in this aluminum formwork, so it requires uniform planning and uniform elevation to be cost effective. Because when we are going for different types of designs and different kind of buildings, we cannot use the same aluminum formwork for other buildings. So it requires uniform planning and uniform elevation. So this is very useful when we go for a larger area, when we are going to build a more number of houses, which is of same plans and elevations. So in that way, it will be very useful. Otherwise, it will not be cost effective. The Maivan technology will not be cost effective, and also we cannot make modification in this Maivan technology, because we are finalizing everything in the initial stage itself before sending the specification to the factory for fabricating the panels. So before that, we have to finalize all the designs and elevations, whatever it may be. For example, such as balconies, projections, everything we need to finalize in the initial stage itself. And since we are using this RC wall system, we cannot modify in later stage. Services like plumbing, electrical, whatever we are providing, that is little difficult in this system, because we are using a very RC wall, and the thickness of the wall is very less. So concealed services become difficult in this formwork. And heat of hydration is high due to the RC wall, because we are not providing any brickwork or block work. Here we are using only reinforced concrete wall, so due to that the heat of hydration will be increased. So these are all few disadvantages of this Maivan technology. So friends, hope you all like this video. Please do comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Your comments are always welcome. Thank you for watching.